A lot of people want to start content creation, but their problem is gadgets. They are looking for a gadget they are going to use and start. But today I'm here to clarify you that you can start your content creation with zero gadgets. Only thing you need is your smartphone. And with your smartphone, you can be able to actualize what you need. Okay? You don't need expensive mic or any other thing. Just a very quiet environment and your smartphone, and that's all. So if that had been your problem, worry no more, because in today's video, I'm going to show you how to film yourself like this. Hello guys. So if you want to do landscaping, you hold your phone like this. Assuming now that I want to video this environment, I'm viewing you. Just show like this in our video to bring it down. Yeah? I'll be showing you how I'm doing it. That's why. And it's a bit easy. How to measure formatting for the atmosphere. You video in atmosphere. So if you want to record a YouTube short form video, this is how you're going to position your phone, okay? Position it like this. If you don't have any tripod stand to put your phone, you don't have problem. Just carry table or in your window side. Place your phone like this. Then you carry another book and place on top of it like this. Then you start talking. You start talking, you're now recording, okay? Start recording and be talking. So if you want to do YouTube long form video, okay? Just hold your phone like this. This is called landscaping. Hold it like this. Let somebody hold it like this and record it. If nobody can hold it for you, just place it also. Place it like this in your table or in your window. Any place that is comfortable. Make sure your phone is not shaking, because if your phone is shaking, anybody that's watching your video, it will be shaking like that, okay? So, and then start what? Recording. So that is it, okay? So if you're doing vlogging and nobody to record, you can just hold your phone like this and just be walking. You're walking and be recording. When you finish everything you do, if you finish what you do for the day, you just hold your phone like this and be going and be talking and be walking and be talking. It is vlogging for you. You'll be vlogging and be recording your video, okay? If it is cooking, if you want to show what is in this book now, if you want to see what is in this book now, you make sure you hold your phone like this. Show what is in here. You just hold your phone like this and then be recording. You can keep another thing on top. Hold your phone like this and then be recording. That's it. So it is very easy. You don't have any excuse. If you don't want to start, is it? I don't just want to start. And all this thing will be done with only your smartphone. You don't need to have complexity. You don't need to have 1 million phone. One phone is enough. Okay? One more thing is the environment. If you're filming your video in your house, just stay in, open your curtain, that's all. And then you can stay outside, just as I'm staying outside now, and then use natural light. If there is anyone you want me to make video about, or how to record or film yourself, you let me know in the comment section. Bye bye, and see you in my next video. If you learned something from what you just watched, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.